6.5, little mid piece. We're going to talk about the mid segment of a trapezoid. We're going to be able to calculate the length of a mid segment, and because of what happens with a mid segment. The mid segment of a trapezoid, mid's in the middle, segment is a line piece. Mid segment of a trapezoid connects the midpoints, there's the mid part, of the legs. If EF is the mid segment of a trapezoid, then AB is parallel to CD, which is marked, which is parallel to EF. If it's going to be marked on those midpoint points, then it will be parallel to the top and the bottom, or the bases as they are known. Okay. EF will be equal to AB plus CD divided by 2, also known as the average, because we take two amounts, add them together, divide by how many. That's the average. So take the small length, take the big length. What does it become in the middle? What's the medium? That's all that does. So we can use the above trapezoid, the one that's pictured there, ABCD, and we're going to use it for this. So if AB was 14, so I'm just going to redraw here. A, B, C, D. Always helps to draw a picture of it. If AB is 14 and DC is 26, find E to F, right? E, F. Well, EF equals AB plus DC over 2. So that becomes 30, that becomes 40 over 2, which is 20. And it should be in between them because it's an average, it's a middle ground. So 20 is between 14 and 26. In fact, if you go up 6 from 14 and down 6 from 20, right in the middle, or down 6 from 26, you get to 20. Okay, so EF is 7 plus 31 over 2, which is 38 over 2, which is 19. Easy peasy. Now, be careful. They may not give you the top and the bottom. Maybe they give you the middle and one of the pieces, and you have to plug in the parts of the puzzle. So remember that EF equals AB plus DC over 2. So they gave us EF, 22, is equal to, they gave us DC, we don't have AB, plus 38 divided by 2. Well, start to work and get the AB part. All right, where's my highlighter? I need yellow. We want this AB part by itself. So undo furthest away, which is the divide by 2. The opposite is multiply by 2, so do both sides by 2. So that makes 44 equal to AB plus 38. Then we're going to subtract 38, both sides. So AB equals, let's see, 2 up to 40 and 4 more makes it 6 is what I get. And if EF is the in-betweener, 22 is between 6 and 38, so that should work out. Now, in this one, they gave us EF's 47, they gave us AB's 41, plus DC, we don't know, divides by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. So, let's see, just to double check, 47 times 2 is 94, so that becomes 94 equals 41 plus DC, subtract 41, and take off 40 is 50, take off 1 is 53 equals DC, just like that. And then maybe it'll give you new pictures. So for trapezoid, P, Q, R, S, Y, and Z are midpoints. So we know that this is congruent to that, and this is congruent to that. I did that backwards. Hold on. This side and that side, this side and that side. There we go. Cuts it in the middle. Which means that we know that these are parallel, because it is a trapezoid and it is the mid segment. So find YZ. So we need X. So we know that 5x minus 19 is equal to 38 plus x plus 14 over 2. Okay, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. That cancels this out to 1. That makes this 10x minus 38 equals 30. Let's see, it won't be 38 anymore. I'm going to do some math there. 38 and 14 is 48. Is it 52 plus x? I'm going to minus the 52. No, I'm not. I'm going to minus the x because I want to keep x positive. So let's minus the x. So 9x minus 38 equals 52. Let's add 38. So 9x equals 10, carry. 5, 6, 7, 8, 90. Oh, divides by 9, easy. X is 10. Do we need to find x? No, we find yz, so plug it in. 5 times 10 minus 19. 50 minus 19 is 31. That's yz. Better to be on y. Z. There we go. Go ahead and try 6 and 7. Let's see what you can do. Here we go. We know that this and that and this and that. We know that all these guys are parallel. And we know that 25 is equal to 2x plus 11 plus 6x minus 1 all over 2. Well, let's get rid of the 2 part first. I don't like it being a fraction, so let's just multiply by the denominator. Reduces to 1. 50 equals 2x and 6x is 8x. 11 minus 1 is a 10. Let's subtract 10. 40 equals 8x. Divide by 8. X equals 5. We have to find k to j. So 6 times 5 minus 1 equals k to j. 30 minus 1. So that'd be 29. Notice the repetition and what's happening. Learn where to plug stuff in. 8x minus 3 equals x plus 7 plus 6x plus 5, all divided by 2. We multiply it by 2 on both sides, the whole thing, so it distributes, in case you missed that earlier. So that'd be 16x minus 6. It's a 2, not a z. Equals, that reduces to 1, so 7x, because x plus 6x, plus 12, 7 plus 5. Subtract 7x. That'd be 9x minus 6 equals 12. Add 6. 9x equals 18. X equals 2. Solve for x? No, uv. Plug it into 8 times 2 minus 3. 16 minus 3. 13 for uv.